quick unboxing. So I opened this already. I picked it up today and I opened it already. So pseudo unboxing. Not really unboxing, but I already saw the photo cards. I don't know. This one was cheap. Cheaper than other ones. Okay, let's just look through it. Postcard. Lyric book. Yeah, lyric book. A Yuna boxing ticket. Yeji photo taken by Yuna. These look like Somi's poker chips. I don't think they're poker chips though. I don't know what they're called. But I don't know what to use them for. Okay. Poster. I think I like the poster. The poster's really nice. It's just not too small, but like. And then 2 Ryujin photo cards. I also like the book. The book is really nice. Like, boxing themed. I think that's what the whole album is about, but it's like really photogenic. That's supposed to be it. It's a nice album.